Hello friends, welcome again to this channel and I am Preeti, your gardener friend, and today I am going to show you the hibiscus collection of me. As I told you earlier that 200 species are there in hibiscus variety, and it is not possible on a person's part, not exactly impossible, but it is too difficult to collect all 200 species in a person's part, but I have collected so many varieties. I have 20 varieties of hibiscus in my garden. But guys, I can show you only 17 varieties because flowers have not yet bloomed in 3 plants, and it may take some time perhaps. So I will make another video regarding that after blooming. I'm also trying my level best to collect more species, more varieties, so that I can show you. So I definitely make some videos and will upload for you. So friends, today the first number comes peach color, desi variety. Then it comes single petal red hybrid variety. And after that it is red desi variety. Well, in these two reds you might have confused which one is desi and which one is hybrid, because both flowers are looks alike. So guys, this plant is short in height. The plant is of small size, still flowers blooming in this. And you know guys, only hybrid plant can give flowers by being so small like this. Now guys, this one is maroon color hybrid hibiscus. And after that miniature light pink is there. This one is white color hybrid single petal. Now guys, this one is blood red hybrid Australian variety, and this one is single petal. Beside the lemon yellow, you can see this one is reddish orange with light orange border, and this one is also single petal and hybrid variety. Well guys, see this. It is a yellow colored single petal hibiscus, and yes, it is of lemon yellow. I have another color of it, and that one is golden yellow. You see guys, how beautiful it looks. This plant is of hybrid variety. Perhaps it is Australian variety. I have written all the colors and breed, whether it is a desi or hybrid, on respective photos of every flower, so that it would be convenient for you to know and recognize. This one is light violet multipetal hybrid variety. Well friends, how can we forget about the golden yellow flower? This one is the golden yellow hibiscus hybrid variety and single petal. This one is miniature dark pink hibiscus. That one was light pink. This one is dark pink. I have another color of this miniature variety, but unfortunately that flower has not yet bloomed, and I will show you in the next part of this video. So guys, look at this. This one is an orange color multipetal hybrid hibiscus. So now guys, it's the time for chili hibiscus. As you can see, this hibiscus is looking like a chili. I mean a ripened chili, red chili. See guys, these are cranberry hibiscus and I have two colors of it. One is dark pink and another one is maroon. And guys, last but not the least, hybrid pink with light pink border, and this one is Australian variety. So friends, I have showed you total 17 varieties of hibiscus I have in my garden, and after collecting more I will make another video and upload for you. So if you want to see videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. Don't forget to hit the like button also. Please share the link, and the most important thing, if you are watching this on Facebook, please like and follow me at there also. So guys, this much for today, and very soon we will meet in another video. Until then, bye bye.